alaikum. I am Nishat Islam Mojumdar. This is our final project, ultrasonic temperature distance measuring system. This is temperature sensor LM35. It is connected with Arduino's analog pin A1. This is the ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. Its trigger pin is connected with Arduino digital pin 3 and echo pin is connected with Arduino digital pin 2. This is the port 8G. It measures the distance and it is connected with the test pin of ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor take input from it and the Arduino process it. This is the virtual terminal which shows the input, and this is the COMPORT which connects the system with the GUI. If we run the system, we can see the inputs from temperature and distance. Here we can increase and decrease the temperature and increase and decrease the distance measurement. Thank you. This is all from me.
Hello, this is Imtiaz Ahmed. On the left side here, we can see the GUI in LabView. These two are the temperature and distance bars, which is the visual representation of temperature and distance. These two are the temperature and distance graph charts, which are plotted according to the time. The VISA resource is used to transfer data from the Proteus circuit to the LabView. This table here, we can see it shows us the visual representation of different attributes like date, time, temperature, distance, etc. On the right side here, we can see the code for the Arduino board. The setup has serial begin 9600. This is where the Arduino board is set up. It has two pins, ping and echo pins, which are data sent to the ultrasonic sensor, and the val and the temperature is sent to the temperature sensor. In the loop, you can see there are two loops, one for the LM35 and one for the HCSR04. The values are generated within the Arduino board. On below here, we can see the conversion of microseconds. Like we convert microseconds to centimeters, the distance. For temperature, float values is used in Celsius to calculate temperature in Celsius. That was all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shajid bin Mahabub. Now let's look at our block diagram. First we have used the VISA resource and we have cleared the VISA, then opened it, and we have used the VISA read to read the input from the serial port, and we have used this value to convert into a number, and we have passed into the temperature indicator. We did the same thing with the distance indicator, and then we have flushed out the input, and then we have closed the VISA with the error handler. You can see this whole box is a while loop. We have used the timer of 500 milliseconds to reduce the pressure on the processor, and then we have used the time and date and converted it into a string and passed it to the build array. We have also passed out IDs and the value of the temperature and distance into this. And then we have used a string constant and array constant to build a two-dimensional array, and this insert into, and this is passed to insert into array, and from this array function we have passed the value here, and this is outputting the value into the table control. And we have used the shift rotator, which is going to the next line, and this is our stop indicator. Thank you.
Good day, Miss and Sir. My name is Mizam Shah, and this is the simulation of the final project. This is the Proteus circuit along with the sensors, and this is the LabView GUI. Let us begin the simulation. As you can see here, 20-degree temperature and distance is at 50%. Let us increase the temperature to 25 and increase the distance to 55. As you can see, temperature and distance both increased. The Arduino takes data from the ultrasonic sensor and temperature sensor and sends the data through the COM pin to the GUI via the VISA resource. The data here displayed, the table, the temperature and the distance. This is the entire project. Thank you.